This is Jen from JenThereDoneThat. Guess what we're doing today? Buenos dia! Today we're looking for rum.
Casa Bacardi is located in San Juan, Puerto Rico. With easy directions and plenty of on-site parking, we proceeded to the ticket counter. Tickets can be pre-purchased online, so a quick scan on my phone and check-in is complete. Each tour includes a souvenir cup and token for a complimentary drink at this bar before we start the tour. Tokens can be redeemed for one of 4 rum drinks. I opted for the rum sunrise. Basically, it's a tequila sunrise made with rum instead. At 10 o'clock in the morning, orange juice seems like the responsible choice. The famous Bacardi Bat decorates the drink coasters and is found throughout the property for our tour. My drink is tasty good and requires a selfie with this handsome bartender.
This is how we know the tour's ready.
With drinks in hand, we head over to the Tram to begin our tour. Apologies for the sound quality on the moving tram. It was much better in real life.
1936, we moved to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Starting off the beautiful day to your right. And in 1958, we moved to this facility, which consists of 127 acres that were formerly a swamp. It was designed by Spanish architect Felix Candela to resemble a bat in flight. Those are distillation columns. We're going to learn a little bit more about that in our next stop. Now this next building is the distillery. The distillery was commissioned by our then governor in 1958. And those light blue tanks that we see to the right are fermentation tanks. Only one can make approximately 132,000 liters of alcohol daily in the distillation process. So right now, guys,
The tram brings us to the heart of the tour. In here, we learn all about the rum process from sugarcane to molasses, fermented as a beer, and then aged to the rum we all know and love. Our history lesson starts in this beautiful Courtyard Recreation, complete with Bacardi Bat Fountain. This room recreates the fermentation equipment and barrel storage for rum aging. For decoration only, there is no rum in this room. Our guide proves to be informative, helpful, and willing to participate in my silliness. Surrounded by all of these rum barrels, I only have one question. Where'd all the rum go?
I found the rum.
My next career, I'm going to manufacture rum. I may have felt a bit inspired by the Bacardi office recreation and the Bacardi family story. There are so many details in this room. The cabinet holds a variety of vintage Bacardi bottles and more. Instead of a tasting room, here's the smelling room. Open the lid and inhale to smell the different rum varieties. Don't let the bar fool you. This presentation turns into a mini infomercial for Bacardi, with a few recipes thrown in.
Guys, you're going to be learning of the rums that we have in our market right now, and we're going to hear basically all the information about them and how we can use them, okay? You can also use this for the really popular piña colada. The piña colada that we recommend is a deconstructed one. That means that you make simple piña colada that you can do with 4. But I usually recommend if you're doing on the rocks to add coconut water ice cubes, not regular coconut water ice cubes, because this one combines perfectly with coconut.
Fun fact, the legal drinking age in Puerto Rico is 18, unlike 21 in the United States.
Be purchased here in our store, and we give you the opportunity to engrave your bottle with a message, a name, initials, whatever you like.
And now I get to taste the
First sip,
reserve.
when you take this, you're gonna take it smooth. You're gonna take it a little bit so your mouth gets accustomed to the flavor. Once your mouth you feel accustomed to the flavor, you take a second sip and you're gonna appreciate the notes, the tasting of the rum. It's gonna be a little bit sweeter, a bitter. But now when you take the second one, you're gonna feel the rich and complex flavors. You're gonna feel the dry fruit. You're gonna feel everything. You like it, ma'am?
That's great.
And I can pick up a bottle of what I just tasted here in the gift shop, along with t-shirts, accessories, and other bottles of rum. The gift shop has a selection of airline carry-on friendly smuggler mini bottles, as well as full-size bottles. I bought a bottle of the reserve from the tasting and had my bottle engraved.
And the trolley's ready to take us back for more rum drinks. We're not going very far. And back to the parking lot.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from JenThereDoneThat in Puerto Rico and other cool destinations.